Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at the boardroom. Let's go. This red is a 3 to 5. I think it's a heel hook catch. To try all the 3 to 5s and then the 4 to 6s and then gradually keep going up. I feel like the 7 to 8s here are also doable, so I'm going to try those as well. Guys, let's move on to 4 to 6s. The grading here is a bit soft. Like the V3s to V5s seem quite easy, so let's move on. Is a lot scarier than I thought, and also the top of the hole is like covered, so I have to like aim it properly, but it's a nice jug, so I think I just really need to commit. Oh, that yellow was so scary. I fell on like both my arms, and you know what that means. That's so injury prone. You know what that means? That means we're gonna keep trying it. Try more of the other 4 to 6s. Let's go. Some of the 4 to 6s are very easy, and then some of them are kind of hard. I'm gonna try to finish all of them. Let's be optimistic, guys. Optimism is key. Okay, guys, next I'm gonna be trying this black. You can't really see it, but basically it's like a huge line that just keeps going. It looks really fun, so let's try it. It looks like an outdoorsy climb. going back down to 4 to 6s. The next route we're going to be trying is this red climb. It's a pinchy climb. The black just now was so pumpy, and genuinely by the end of it, I could feel my forearms about to burst. Okay, we're gonna move on to this orange 6 to 8 plus. There's a few 4 to 6s I still have to do, but I wanna try it whilst I still have energy. I think the only part of the 6 to 8 is the first move. I tried the rest of the route and it wasn't that bad, so I just need to get the first move down. Next, we're gonna be trying a 6 to 8, which is this blue crimp. If you didn't know, and if you can't tell, I love crimps. I'm in love with crimps. If you give me a crimp, I will do the route. So let's do the 6 to 8, and let's flash the 6 to 8. I know I like crimps, but that 6 to 8 was really, really easy. All the crimps were relatively nice. I think the grading here is not the most accurate because I found some of the 4 to 6s more hard than this 6 to 8. But grades are always different, so. interesting end. It's a knee step end, which you rarely see. Actually, no, you see it quite a lot. This knee step shows climb smart, not hard. It's so bad. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I love you guys all so much. Goodbye.